Let's be honest, there is nothing more exciting in life than playing foosball. Except maybe, when you have no friends. I have found this tabletop foosball soccer football table, and before I can really enjoy my passion, there is a couple of things I would like to take care of. First, one of the handles is broken and 2 players are missing.
#transfer.
Second, the design of the players could be made a little more realistic to spice things up. Are you also as excited as I am to take on that challenge? Good. Let's go, baby. Okay folks, my 100% physiognomically accurate squad building challenge FIFA team of the season is ready, with on one side, Oblak, Mbamp, Bale, Memsi, Sergio Ramos, and on the other, Buffon, Chiellini, Smala, Ronaldo and the new Mensai.
Nobody actually knows this last guy, but since he is 16 years old and already has 2 full tattooed arms and 2 million followers on Instagram, he must be good at football.
Anyway, we now have everything we need to rebuild our football table. What about we would now bring even more excitement into the game? What about we would motorize our table so that we can rev our tabletop foosball soccer football table handles at incredible RPM speeds? That could be pretty good, right? Good. Let's go, baby. Okay guys, I think we are ready. Time for the official match to begin.